So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC Physics Exam Revision Series, we have here these 4 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic heat energy. So guys, this video will be about humidity, relative humidity, and midpoints. So in short, to state here at the end of this video, we are going to start here with the first question already. It says, which of the following instruments is used to measure relative humidity? We have A, hypsometer, B, hydrometer, C, hygrometer, and D, barometer. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, hygrometer. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, that's question number 2 here. It says, dew point is not affected by A, temperature, B, wind, C, atmospheric pressure, and D, the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. So guys, the dew point is not affected by wind. It can be affected by temperature, the atmospheric pressure, and as well as the water vapor in the atmosphere, but it is not affected by wind. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 3 here. It says the mass of water vapor in a given volume of air is 0.05 grams at 20 degrees Celsius, while the mass of water vapor required to saturate it at the same temperature is 0.15 gram. Calculate the relative humidity of air. So guys, this is a very simple one. All we just need to do is the amount of water vapor in the air at this given temperature is actually 0.05, and the maximum amount the air can contain, which is the amount required to saturate it, is 0.15 grams. So we are going to just do this amount 0.05 divided by the amount that will saturate it, that's 0.15. Then we'll multiply this quotient by 100%. So guys, when we do this, we are going to have 33.3%. And that's it for this question. Option D is the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So that's question number 4 here. It says, an instrument used to measure relative humidity is the A, pyrometer, B, hydrometer, C, manometer, D, hygrometer. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's hygrometer. And that's it for this question, guys.